fix. So literally I have made some analysis on my pairs, and I want to do some reanalysis, yes, with you guys. So my background has a lot of noise due to where am I. Yes, but we shouldn't be worrying about that. So the best thing is to know uh, how to analyze the market peacefully. Uh, Back again, uh, market has been taking people out. People have been taking trades, but market has been taking people out. Yes, and it has been happening a lot. People have been losing money. So you have to adapt the market. When the market condition changes, you have to change with them. uh, if you are seeing that price first takes you out, then it goes into a direction, just adapt the market that now things have changed. Where I was pressing my entry and where I was pressing my stop loss, where I was putting my stop loss is the place where I should be putting my entry. You see, people, they don't want to adapt. The market changes because they have the other mentality that you have to be strict on your trading strategy, have to be with a plan. Yes, have a plan, but uh, uh, market changes. It's like it's like the world we are living in. People used to make money in the years of 90s, 80s. They are making money in a different way. eh? And we are in the 20s. People are making money in a different way. uh, Back in 18, in 17, like in 700, 700, people were not doing forex trading, but now people are doing forex trading. That's what I'm trying to show to you. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to mean. If the market condition change with them, you see. But people want to be constant because that is the strategy. I know, just modify the strategy you are using. So let me analyze this Euro JPY. So starting from the daily, we are seeing that the Euro JPY is already bullish. Yes, already bullish. So I'll be having my breakout structure right here. That is my breakout structure. Where is the area of origin? Yes, the area of origin is right here, which I could consider. Then apart from that, I have a breakout structure right here below. You see. From the daily, this is my area of interest. Yes, that is my area of interest. So I'll be adding the 4 hour on the 4 hour to see where this pair is really going. Yes, so this is a breakup structure. Then you uh had this breakup structure whereby this one, because the market has been buying, I had that breakout structure, that BOS. Then market shifted. So after market shifting, we'll end with an area of origin which is above this zone. So what are you seeing? Price is already bullish but shifted on the 4 hour, and it is looking to take out either this liquidity above that high to come back into the area of origin right here, then shifting on the lower time frame, giving you an entry point, then to drop up to where. Now someone is asking, drop up to where? Automatically up to this zone. Yes, up to this zone on the daily. But for the market, we can hope it will drop, then it can end in the way, then reverse and goes up. Everything is possible. Yes, everything is possible, but we are dealing with probabilities. So apart from that, we had right here we had a breakout structure. I call it a breakout structure. Why? Because candles closed below. The candles closed below. The candles closed below. Yes. So for the area of interest, we also had this, but this was already mitigated. It's already mitigated. The zone is already mitigated, so it has less chances to hold the market. So we shall be heading to the 3 hour to see nothing much. 2 hour, 2 hour automatically same structure. 1 hour, 1 hour we shall be finding our zone. So this zone to this, meaning the 1 hour zone is still available. Yes, still available. And also on the 4 hour we can define it to this zone at first, but also we have this high order block right here. So it means we shall be using confirmation entries when price comes back to those areas. Yes. So what are we having on the 1 hour? Automatically price is trying to go up, like it wants to take out this inducement. After taking out that inducement, then it's like wanting to come into this zone, give us an entry, then we do sell. 1 hour zone, we shall be entering from the M5. So heading to the M15. So on the M15, what am I having? So on the M15, I'll be considering this last high. This is the last high. We had a breakout structure right here. That was the last breakout structure on the M15. Then market came, shifted, then it has been dropping. The market has been giving us breakout structure. That is a boss, gave us another boss right here. So whereby price reacted from this zone. You can call it resistance. Yes, from that resistance. So price has been dropping. So price gave us a liquidity sweep right here on the M15, sweeping liquidity. After that liquidity being taken out, price gave us a breakout structure to the upside, to the buyer's side. I can call it market structure shift. Then where is the area of origin? The area of origin is literally on this zone. You see, on this zone. So the area of origin is right there. So whatever price is doing, it is leaving some inducement below, which we are expecting price to come, take out, then continue. But it has made another breakout structure. Gave us another breakout structure right here. That is another boss. So where's the area of origin? The area of origin for that boss is literally this demand zone. Yes, that demand zone. So we have two zones where we are expecting to buy, because we need to take out this liquidity. Up right here. That liquidity up right there. So what are we going to do? We shall be using confirmation entries when price comes back to this zone, or when price bypasses through this zone and comes back to this zone. then shall be using confirmation entries for Euro JPY. So that's how I've tried to analyze the Euro JPY for you guys. Yes, for you guys within 10 minutes. Within 10 minutes. So any other pair we can analyze. Let me see. For BTC, I'm expecting some buys for BTC. Yes, due to the 4-hour zone. Yes, because the BTC has been buying, but also have this zone. But we're expecting some buys with the confirmations on the M15. Yes, we are waiting for a shift. Then after the shift, then shall be considering whether price comes back into an area of interest or not. So let me try out to see some pairs for this Euro AUD. Euro AUD is already in a downtrend, and our area, the best area I'm trying to sell in is that area that I would like to sell. Yes, it's the area that I would like to sell, but our price is like wanting to buy. So I'm waiting for that break of structure to happen, then I consider some buys going for that zone. So USD card is already bullish. I wanted to buy it from this zone, it never came back. Why? It swept liquidity on this zone. After sweeping liquidity, then never gave us an entry to buy. So I also decided to wait it from this zone, but also never came back in that zone. So it's just pushed up. So I'm waiting at that zone. Yes, I'm using impulsive entries. So this was GBP JPY. Yes, we had the GBP JPY. We had the buys, and we are considering this zone to be our take profit. And the trade was already done. It's already done because I remember I made this analysis yesterday, and I marked this zone as my point of interest or as an area of origin. It was 1 to 4, which was 63 pips. It was 63 pips. So for USD JPY, yes, USD JPY. Let me do the USD JPY then. We see other brands for gold is literally in the downtrend and has already bypassed one of my zones. I marked on the higher time frame, which was on the 4-hour, on the 1 hour. When you see, it was on the 1 hour, it was a resistance becoming support, but price just bypassed through it. So this is the zone I'm waiting in for gold. So for USD JPY, let me try to do the reanalysis for the USD JPY. So starting from the daily has a lot of mess. You see a lot of consolidation is happening in this zone. A lot of consolidation is happening, but I tried to figure out a structure. Yes, I tried to figure out a structure because it was already in a bullish. It was already bullish. It was already bullish. So I tried to figure out a structure. So the structure I tried to figure out was that I had a break of structure on this zone, buyer's break of structure. Then after that, area of interest was this rejection block. That rejection block. Yes. So going to the 4-hour, the zone is there. That's the zone. So having this break of structure from the daily. So from the 4-hour, this is our break of structure, our first break of structure. Let me mark it. That is our first break of structure. Also considering this zone. Yes, that is the zone. So it means this is just the inducement or liquidity. So we had another break of structure right here. That was another breakout structure. That was another BOS. So we had that other BOS. We are still on the 4 hour. So apart from this BOS, where really market reacted from was from this zone, where price tried to react from. So apart from that, price came on the 4 hour, it swept liquidity, whereby I'm quite sure that on the 1 hour we might have had a breakout structure. Yes, where we had a market structure shift right here. So this is the market structure shift. Market has shifted already. Then area of interest is already this high, where already the price is tapping. So contributing to the 1 hour, as I told you that on the 1 hour it was already a breakout structure, but since market had already shifted, we can see on the 1 hour price taking out this, making it a breakout structure, giving that to us as a breakout structure. So things are happening. So now another shift on the 1 hour, another shift on the 1 hour. So that is another shift on 1 hour. So remember, this is a 4 hour zone. So it means if you are trying to sell, we should be considering to enter from M15. So since this is 1 hour, if you want to buy, the zone is this. That's the zone that I would consider. So M15, for M15 you can see that price gave us a shift right here, some kind of a breakout structure on this zone, which we can take as a breakout structure. You can take it as a breakout structure, but as I told you that is a zone for M4, and we wanted to sell, whereby if this market made a shift right here, but it just swept liquidity, so if market made a shift on this zone, we would have been selling now. We would have been selling from either from this fair value gap right here, from that fair value gap, whereby price is giving us such a good structure, but it just swept liquidity. So it means people who are planning to sell from this zone, putting their stop loss about they are targeting this zone, they are like trading on a high risk. Yes, so I better wait for this price to come back to this zone of mine, then I buy. Yes, then I buy. Why am I confidently saying buy? Is because now it had made here inducement. Now the market made their inducement, so there are higher chances for USDJPY to buy from this zone, a stop loss below, which could be around 25 pips, then targeting the high, which is already like around 60 pips. Yes, around 60 pips. So that is it for the USDJPY. That's the zone I'm waiting in. So I had the USDJPY within 20 minutes, then, and what other pair did we analyze? It was EURJPY. So yes, it was EURJPY, not the BTC. Yes, you can see the EURJPY wants to buy. It wants to buy, and also the USDJPY. They are all taking the same direction because they are now driven by the JPY Yes, they are being driven by the JPY. We are in London. No. We are already in New York. Yes, I'm in New York. So for this euro, it's like showing that it doesn't have much momentum to drive now the market. So, and anytime you're entering the Asian session, yes. So I'll be taking this trade during the night. Yes, during the night. But the more efficient one is on this zone. That is it. At 20 pip 20 pip range, then targeting 1 to 3 at least of this zone, which is 1 to 4. Thank you guys for watching this MFX. Subscribe if you like my content so that you don't miss out.